have my hair freshly washed and blow dried. What I was gonna say. I do want to go with a side part. Probably still deciding. I just feel like this is just so much more to brush and silk over, but it's so cute once you're done. My scalp is literally so red from what I had going on. And that's another thing I kind of want to be mindful of. We have this parted. So as you guys can see, I did a very, very deep side part, and I'm then just brushing the rest. Ooh, this looks cute. Now I kind of want to straighten it for a side part. So this will be our front piece because no idea where my clips are. So this is going to be our front piece, and then our side swoop. This needs to be broken in half too. I'm gonna probably keep this in for like as long as I can before it gets completely trashed. So I want to make sure it's pretty neat. Let me try to turn to the back so I can show y'all. So this will be the first piece that we smooth down, the back piece. I'll be using Edge Booster. This is so important because I messed up with doing this. When you get Edge Booster, buy the hair pomade, not the styling gel. I mean, obviously you can buy the styling gel if you're doing it from wet, but the hair pomade is what really, like, it's the tackier one that makes your hair like stay down, and it's good for braiding and stuff. I messed up and I bought they had a sale, and I bought 3 big things of this, and rarely do I style my hair from wet. So now I'm stuck with it, especially now, like, I'm never going to because I have a relaxer. So make sure you're getting the hair pomade. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just show you guys what I'm doing because I was just yapping away and this video would be so long if I left it as is. So each section that I have applied, I apply gel to it to get it as flat as possible and brush it out. So this is just like the easiest method to get your hair the flattest, besides mine being a little like straighter. Just putting it in sections still gets it flatter than if I was to like scoop it all in one. But yeah, I'm gonna just let you guys watch. It's pretty self-explanatory. Do this side next. We like, and I'll apply the product elsewhere. But my arms are killing me. All right, this we have to split. Just pull out my edges so I could play with it. Got a whole lot of body. A lot of body. Down. So it lasts. I'm just laying everything down. So while we let this sit, we're gonna get jiggy with the ponytail though. We're not gonna waste any time. So I actually got 2 ponytails from the beauty supply. I got a braided one and a yaki straight. I don't know which one I wanna do. I think I wanna do the braided. Yeah. I did get it from the beauty supply, but it's sensational Lulu wrap. So I'm pretty sure I can find it on Amazon and link it for you guys like to order it. You can see it has like a yaki straight texture. I got 1B. So it's saying that you attach this and then you just wrap this piece around your bun so it looks more seamless. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna add some bobby pins in it or something because I feel like it's gonna kind of fly off, and I'm doing something pretty active today. All right guys, this is the finished material. Zoom in. I went ahead and I did my makeup. Let me take this off so you can see. Came out really, really nice. I did go ahead and add some bobby pins to the ponytail part because it was just not, I had no faith in it. Like there's like 3 pins, but it doesn't really wrap around. But I would still say it's a good purchase because it was cheap. It was like $10, but put bobby pins to secure it. But yeah, it came out really, really nice. When I say this shit is laid, it's like glued to my freaking head, all thanks to the boost. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. I just wanted to throw this on here real quick because I did this before, but I did a short form content of it. So I'm like, let me do something long form, like thoroughly explaining how to get your hair super flat.